Hello and welcome to this short guide on how to use the EWP Stats Portal to check a partner's nomination readiness status. To start, simply load the Stats Portal landing page and search for a partner using their name, city, or Erasmus code. Next, select the icon with 3 connected nodes labelled EWP Details. Scroll down on the new window until you reach the section labelled Nominations. To the right of the mobility labels, you can see the API being used for each nominations functionality. In this example, the partner is using the currently enforced version of the Nominations API. You can hover over the areas in green to view additional details. This partner is ready to send and receive nominations. Other partners may display a different status. In some cases, as shown in this example, a partner may still have the Nominations API activated under the previous version, displayed in yellow. Although this version is technically still supported, it is not compatible with the currently applicable version. As a result, exchanging digital nominations with such partners may not be possible. You may also encounter partners whose nomination section is entirely blank. This indicates that they are not yet ready to exchange digital nominations.